This is the VEVOR portable folding bench seat. Now, full disclosure, they did send this to me for review, but the opinions in this video are my own. Alright, so this comes in a nice drawstring bag. This is made from a very thick, durable Oxford cloth. It has a handle strap on top, so you can easily carry it around. And it is pretty difficult to cinch up just because the cloth is so thick, but it still works great for carrying this around. And pulling out the seat, here it is. It's nice and compact. It's also pretty lightweight as well, weighing just about 20 pounds. It's also very quick and easy to fold out. It just extends out like any standard camping chair. And once folded out, here is what it's going to look like. It has these Oxford cloth seats. And of course, that's attached to this metal frame. Here's a look at the back of it. You can see there is support on the back as well. There's also a flap on each side, and these have some nice pockets in them for some drinks or maybe something else you want to put in here. And of course, this is the 4-seat bench, but they do have a variety of different sizes. Sitting down on it here feels very sturdy, nice and solid, nice solid backrest as well. And in total, this is rated to support just about 180 pounds per seat. The seats are definitely a little bit narrow. They're just about 15 inches apart. So this will work great for kids and maybe teens. They should all fit on here just fine, but for adults, they might feel a little bit cramped. But yeah, I mean, that's about all there is to this. Nice thick fabric, very well stitched together. It's also very well attached to the rest of the frame, and the metal frame seems to be very sturdy as well. And I will also point out on the frame here, on these plastic feet, there are some holes in them, so if you're putting this out on a grass field or something, and maybe you want to secure this down, there are a total of 6 holes in this bench that you can use to secure them down. So yeah, overall, pretty nice folding bench, very easy to set up, pretty lightweight as well, and I like how it comes with a carrying bag, so it's easy to carry around, and it all seems to be pretty sturdy as well.